From its ancient beginnings in the hands of the Mayans and Aztecs to becoming a global phenomenon, chocolate has gone through a remarkable journey. Once a luxury for the elite, now a staple of delight in pantries worldwide, chocolate's rich taste captures joy, celebration, and comfort. So, how do they do it? The rich and captivating history of chocolate is a journey that begins with ancient civilizations and spans across continents to become the beloved treat we enjoy today. In the lush rainforests of Central America over 3,000 years ago, the Mayans and Aztecs discovered the magic of the cacao tree. They weren't munching on chocolate bars yet, though. Instead, they brewed the crushed cocoa beans into a bitter, frothy drink, spicing it up with chili peppers and other natural flavors. This was a luxurious drink reserved for royalty and sacred ceremonies, believed to grant strength and vitality. Fast forward to the 16th century when Spanish explorers, led by Hernán Cortés, brought this mysterious food of the gods back to Europe. Initially, chocolate was a luxury item, savored by the elite in the form of a sweetened hot drink. Its popularity exploded, going beyond class barriers. By the 19th century, with the advent of the Industrial Revolution and innovations in processing, chocolate was transformed into the solid, edible form we're familiar with today. This evolution marked the transition of chocolate from an exclusive luxury to a widely consumed, cherished indulgence available to all layers of society. While chocolate originally comes from the Americas, nowadays, about 70% of the global cocoa supply is produced in West African countries like the Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, and Cameroon. Here, the climate is ideal for cacao trees. These trees are known scientifically as Theobroma cacao, translating to food of the gods, a name that fittingly reflects the esteemed status of chocolate. But how does this delicious treat get made? At the heart of every chocolate bar are three key ingredients, which are cocoa beans, sugar, and, for that creamy delight we call milk chocolate, milk. The soul of chocolate, cocoa beans, are the most important part. Each bean brings a different flavor profile with it, be it from the lush forests of Ivory Coast or the vibrant lands of Ecuador. Quality here is paramount. The finest beans filled with the richest flavors ensure a chocolate that's not just a treat but an experience. Sugar adds sweetness, transforming the bitter cocoa essence into a pleasure, while milk adds a smooth, velvety texture. Together, these ingredients create a taste that's as rich and complex as its history. The journey from bean to bar is a fascinating process, starting with the careful harvesting of cocoa pods by hand. The beans nestled within these pods are then fermented under the sun, a crucial step where they begin to develop their deep, complex flavors. After fermentation, the beans are dried, further concentrating their flavors before being roasted. Roasting unlocks the rich, aromatic chocolate flavors we love. The roasted beans are winnowed, separating the nibs from the shells. The process of turning cacao nibs into chocolate begins with heating and then grinding the nibs into a paste, a quick step that takes about 2 minutes. This heating is crucial because cacao nibs are both fatty and bitter, known as cacao mass. The cacao mass is then refined for 24 to 72 hours, where the solids are broken down into finer particles by large machines, achieving the smooth and uniform texture characteristic of melted chocolate. Next, cocoa mass is mixed with sugar and, for milk chocolate, milk powder, then refined through polishing, smoothing the chocolate's texture and flavor. The final steps, tempering and molding, give chocolate its signature snap and glossy appearance, ready to be shaped into bars or intricate designs. Each phase, from bean to bar, is an art and science, ensuring the chocolate that reaches you is nothing short of perfection. Once the chocolate has been perfected, it embarks on its final journey to us. It's carefully wrapped, showcasing its unique brand and identity, then boxed and binded for distribution. This stage is crucial for maintaining the chocolate's quality until it reaches the store shelves worldwide, ensuring that whether near or far, everyone can savor the rich, delightful experience of a chocolate bar just as intended. Did you know that the largest chocolate bar ever made weighed a whopping 12,770 kilograms? That was crafted to celebrate the 100th anniversary of a chocolate factory. And for those who love indulging guilt-free, the good news is that dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants. It can also improve heart health, and even boost brain function. So next time you reach for that dark chocolate bar, remember, it's delicious and nutritious too. Chocolate is a journey through history, culture, and craftsmanship, touching lives and bringing joy worldwide. As we've seen, the making of chocolate is an art form, mixing tradition with technology to create something truly special. Many forms of chocolate exist now, including chocolate coins, which are a fun twist on a classic. Click here to find out how chocolate coins are made.